August of 2006, we had 9 planets in our solar system. After 2006, we only had 8. But what if we really do have 9 planets? No, I don't mean Pluto. I mean a new planet, one that no one has seen yet, but still might be there. Introducing Planet 9. The theory for Planet 9 was proposed in January 2015 by Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown, almost a decade after Pluto was dropped to dwarf planet status by the same Mike Brown. The two found that the orbits of 6 small and very distant objects in the Kuiper Belt clump together, and they swing out in one direction, as Dr. Brown says. This would make sense if something was tugging them into this strange shape, something like a planet. It would be 10 times Earth's mass and would be 20 times Neptune's distance from the Sun, according to their calculations. A second piece of evidence: the Sun's tilt. The Sun's axis is about 6 degrees crooked compared to the plane of the solar system. This is hard to explain unless something, Planet 9 perhaps, were pulling on the planets, in which case the solar system itself would be tilted, not the Sun. But how did Planet 9 get where it is, and what would it be like? Here are the 3 main theories. The first is that it formed where it is now, meaning it would be an ice planet, sort of like a larger version of Pluto. The second is that it was born at about the same time and place, and in the same way, as the gas giants, like Neptune and Saturn. Planet 9 would likely be a gas giant, if this was true. The third is the least likely. It says it came from another solar system, and was pulled into ours when its star passed the Sun. This theory has only about a 2% chance of having happened, but it's a possibility nonetheless. So now that the reasoning for Planet 9 is clear, all we have to do is find it. In this case, someone needs to actually see the planet. But how to spot a planet with such a huge orbit when we don't even know what point it's at? The answer is simple. Call your friends. This is where citizen science comes in. Backyard World's Planet 9 is the site that lets anyone help look for Planet 9, as well as brown dwarfs. It uses old photos from NASA's WISE space telescope. WISE stands for Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer. Because of the way the infrared works, you can easily spot brown dwarfs, not Likely, and maybe even Planet 9. Backyard World strings together 4 WISE photos, each taken about 5 years apart, into a flipbook. By looking for moving objects in the flipbooks, people can easily identify what computers fail to see. By making it simple for anyone to help, years and years worth of data can be sifted through in a matter of days. On their first site, they have about 5 million classifications, and on their newer site, over 500,000. They have found over 400 possible brown dwarfs that have never before been seen. The end.